guys, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to LuxemumTV. Guys, look at what we have here. Ooh, Christmas came early, guys. Christmas came early this year. I am so excited for my new laptop. Okay, this is a new laptop and it's by the brand Lenovo. Okay, so it's by brand Lenovo. Okay, so guys, let's unbox this new laptop together. Okay, so guys, I have my little knife here. I'm gonna open it. Bree just woke up from her nap. She just woke up from her nap, so let me just open it up. So guys, you know it's always exciting to open a new box. Yeah, just leave that one, okay? Leave that paper. Always exciting to open up a new box. So let's see this one. Most of my computers are Dell. Okay, so this is my first time to have a Lenovo laptop. So yeah, I am excited for this one, guys. Woo! Brand new. This is what they call in Nigeria tear rubber, right? Look at how sleek it is. Wow, I love this one. Wow, this is so sleek. Yeah, I don't have to be carrying that big laptop. This is what it looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. So this one is so lightweight and handy. I think this is a 15.5 inches. Yeah, this is a 15.5 inches. It has the Dolby audio here and USB with power delivery, quick charge battery, and it has some support as well. So it's an Intel Core i5 10th generation, okay, and it's by the brand Lenovo. Yes, guys. So let's bring out the charger, guys. Yeah, this is the charger. Yeah, the charger is so small and so sleek. This is the charger, not like the big Dell big charger. I have to wind and try and tuck it in my laptop bag or in my bag. Very heavy. So I like this one with the computer and the charger. Oh, so lightweight. so lightweight, guys. Thank you all for unboxing with me. I will be showing you how the computer goes. Okay, hopefully it works well. Dell also is a good product. I've been using Dell for a long time. So yeah, this is for mommy's channel. That's true. Yeah, so this is my first time using a Lenovo. Hopefully I have a good experience with them. Okay, so guys, thank you for unboxing with me. Bye. I will see you in my next one. Yeah. Bye.